Have you ever wondered how to get unbulleted paragraphs in bulleted lists in Scrivener 3 for Windows? In other words, where you have 2 paragraphs to a bullet. That's what we're tackling today. And as a bonus, this works in Microsoft Word too. First, select your type of bullet and start creating your list. When you get to where you want the extra paragraph, press Shift and Return together. You'll need to do this twice to get a clear line space. Now, one thing you'll notice is that you might get odd spacing on the page, because creating a clear line space by this method gives a full return. And your bulleted lists probably don't have that as a default, so you might have to change your list's line spacing to compensate. But in Scrivener, I probably wouldn't do that until I'd created a test file in Compile for both print and ebook, because Compile settings for what you're creating might work differently from what is on your Scrivener page, unless the page is generated using an as-is setting. There is also another issue you may find. If you're forcing justification for your bullets, which isn't generally how they're formatted, this will cause the line where you pressed Shift and Return to stretch, nicely demonstrated here in Microsoft Word. So maybe don't justify them. YouTube assures me you'll enjoy this video next.